To add or delete sizes from the grading rules library, right-click the rules text, then select Rule Library Sizes. To add a size, click the Insert or Append button, and type the name of the new size. To delete a size, select that size and click the Delete button. Click OK. Now there is a discrepancy between the size set in the library and the grading table. Go to the Grading menu and select Load Sizes from Rule. In the Load Sizes dialog, choose how to relate the current size list in the grading table to the new size list from the Rules library. Select the Base Size to Base Size option, to keep the base size as medium. When this option is selected, the system adjusts the grading table and grade rules around base size medium, according to the new size list. In this example, that means deleting the grading done for size extra small, and adding grading for size triple extra large. Select the base size to selected size option, to change the base size from medium to another size, for example, large. When this option is selected, the system adjusts the size names and grade rules so that the base size is now large. In this example, the grade rules are exactly the same, and only the names of the sizes are different.